Hi friends, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my first Christmas craft fair series tutorial and project. So these are so easy and I had so much fun making them, and I think that they turned out so pretty. I am calling these holiday notes, and they are just so simple to make, and I can't wait to show you. So let me show you how they look finished. So this is a cute little memo pad that I got from Walmart, and it comes 3 to a pack, and it was really inexpensive. So it's nighttime. There's no natural light in here, just some studio lighting, so hope you can see this. But this is what the front looks like, and here's the back. They're super cute, and they have all this paper here to make Christmas lists and shopping lists and everything. So also the cool thing about these is you can still, here's another one, you can still tear off the sheet because this part right here is loose. And I think these are so festive. You can use up your scrapbook paper, and it is super clean. See? So there's like that perforated edge up there, and I made this part not glued down. So it turned out perfect, and I love the flower right here. I think it's so pretty. So there's this one. I already showed you that one. And I'll show you all the materials that I used. Super easy. Here's these two. And then there's the backs. You probably already have all the stuff that you need. You can use any embellishments that you want. I love this paper. I'm going to show you the paper pad that I used. Here's the backs of those. And then these. I've made 8. We'll make one here together, and then I have one more to make. So I'll have 10 all together. This is what the pad looks like before you decorate it, of course. So it's these Pen Gear 5x8 little memo pads, and you get them in a pack of 3 at Walmart, and they're very inexpensive. I can't remember how much, but I will link this exact product below. And again, they come in a pack of 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this super easy tutorial. Okay, so all you're going to need to make one of these is, of course, one of these 5x8 little notepads that I showed you from Walmart. And I'll show you what I did here in just a second, but I did it on the front and the back. And then just a piece of patterned cardstock, which is scrapbook paper. And I'm using the Busy Sidewalks collection by Crepe Paper. This is their new Christmas collection this year, and I absolutely love it. It's got like a vintage feel, but also has classic prints in here, so I really love it. It's got like the turquoise and red color combo going. So I really love this paper. I'll link it below. And then you're just going to need, if you want to do it like mine, a little doily, any color, and then some kind of embellishment. And you can be as extravagant as you want. You can make it super decorative or just be simple with one. So the first thing to do is take your 5x10 piece of scrapbook paper and just turn it over, and you can either score this or just draw a line with your pencil. But I like to just mark it at 8 inches. And you'll see why in just a second, but so here's 8 inches right here. I'm just going to draw like a really light pencil line right there. So that's just like an approximate spot where I'm going to stop the adhesive, and I'll show you why. So now I'm just going to fill this with adhesive to the line, and I'm going to be pretty generous because this is going to adhere to our notebook. These go so fast. And I kind of wish I would have gotten more of the notepads from Walmart. They're so inexpensive. So I might actually go back and do that if I have time and make some more of these. But I hope that this inspires you to make some. Okay, so there's like a black vinyl strip, of course, you know, to hold it in. What I did is I put Scor Tape because it's like extra strong tape. So it'll stay and the paper will stick to that vinyl strip really well. So I'm just going to take the backing off the back of it, not the front yet. And before I do anything else, I forgot the place where you did not put adhesive. I'm going to round those 2 corners. So I'm going to take my We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper, and I'm going to use the 1/2 inch side. So I just rounded those corners. So if you have decorative scissors, you can cut along this edge here and it'll make it have like a decorative edge. So I've taken the backing off of that adhesive on the back of the notebook, and I'm going to take where I glued this from here to here and go to the bottom, and I'm just going to adhere it as straight as possible onto my notebook. At the bottom, make sure that's on there, and then I hold it to this side and make sure that's straight. And then I pretty much just let go, and it usually goes on pretty straight, so that worked really well. Then I'm just going to take my bone folder and make sure I burnish all the edges so it sticks really well and it doesn't come up. And get that vinyl part really good too so it stays. So then flip it over, and I'm going to take the backing off of this now. So the only place that I have not put adhesive yet is this up here. So I do want to add some adhesive there. So I'm just going to grab my Scor Tape. So I have the 1/4 inch Scor Tape here, and this is what it looks like. I'll definitely link that below. So once you stick it down, just tear it away. And I like to take my bone folder and press it down. Okay, so then take the backing off and then just fold the excess over. There's a little bit of excess that just kind of folds over. Okay, so now we've got this all sticky, and you're going to bring this with your fingers and crease it so there's no bulk. And then just bring it over the edge, just like this. And it leaves a little bit of flap down here that's not adhered to the paper, but all of this part is adhered to that black vinyl piece. And then don't forget to get the top. So now our notebook is coming along. It's so cute, and I rounded those corners to finish it off a little bit. So then I just grab a doily, and I'm going to choose this like natural one here, and I'll link these below. Got them in a big bulk. And I'm going to take some wet glue and put it on the solid part back here on the doily. Then just dab a little bit on the lacy part too. What I do is I meet the bottom of the doily with the bottom of my flap right here. Try to center it as best as you can. Place it on there and then flip it to the back like this. So now the doily's on there, and it looks super cute on the back. And I'm sure you know this, but I forgot to mention when I was telling you about the materials you'll need about the twine. But you know I love my big thing of red and white twine right here. So then we're just going to wrap this around to make it all cute and decorative. So again, I don't measure, but for video's sake, I will tell you how much I pull off of here. So my craft mat is 36 inches, and I'm going to do it 2 lengths of the craft mat. So I'm going to do it 36 inches twice because I want this to look super cute and wrap around a bunch of times. So I'm going to just wrap it around where the vinyl is under there, not on the loose part here. So I'm going to take it like this. I think this red and white is so pretty. Perfect for Christmas, and I like to make it all messy like this. Alright, so then I'm just going to take it and tie it in a bow. So hopefully it's pretty tight on there because I don't want it to come off. So far I think it's so cute. And then to put the finishing touch, we're just going to add one of those cute little flowers right here. I got these at Hobby Lobby for 50% off, and they're still available there. And we're just going to stick that right here. Isn't that so cute? And take some hot glue and add it to the back here. Don't mind my messy glue gun. That way it'll stick on the twine and the paper. So then I'm just going to center that and stick it down right over my twine bow. So you can leave your twine hanging like this, but I like to trim mine away. Just like that. So this is how it turned out. Isn't it super cute? I love how these turned out. They're so easy. And then yes, you can still, because that is a because it has that perforated line and we left this part loose, you can still easily tear your paper off. Just like this. I think this is super cute. I would leave all my holiday notes on here, make lists, and have a little decorative notepad for my desk. Okay, so here's the one that we made together right here. And then I also finished off this one. So let me give you a close-up of those. Super cute with the really pretty paper. So I bought a bunch of these red Papermate flares. They came in 2 packs and my Target had them on sale last year, like at back to school. And so I think I got like 12 of them. So I got like 6 packs. So I think I have just enough to pair with these memo pads, and I think it's going to look so cute with a red Papermate flare pen, just like that. Okay, so I finished packaging these 2 up. I think they look really, really, really cute. And then it's all decorative on the back. So this is how I'm going to sell them at my craft fair. You don't have to include the Papermate flare. You could maybe put like, just go to the Dollar Tree and get a pack of pens and put them in there. You don't have to do these ones here. You don't even have to put a pen in there. But I love how I package them up in the clear bags. They just look so nice. Okay, so pricing. For each of these, I'm going to be selling them at my craft fair for $5 each. As you know, I like to sell out of my product. I like to go spend time with my family, give affordable, cute little gifts that people can purchase and not be too expensive. And I think $5 is a great price because these were very inexpensive to make and super fun and quick. I hope that you enjoyed my first tutorial here for my Christmas craft fair series. I have lots more coming up and they're going to be fun, quick and easy projects just like this one. So I hope that you'll stay tuned and watch those. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in the next video. Happy crafting, everybody. Bye!